Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a volcano. We'll start by drawing the opening of the volcano in the center of the page. Next, draw a wavy line down the right-hand side like this. Then do the same thing on the opposite side. Now add two short lines that curve out. Our next step is a wavy line that shows the bottom of the volcano. Since this volcano sticks out of the ocean, we also are going to draw a beach around it. Now draw two lines that show where lava is shooting out of the top of the volcano. Next, draw a wavy line that looks like old glue in a dried up glue bottle. Then draw another layer of lava underneath. We'll draw two clouds of ash above the lava, starting with a smaller one first. Next, draw a slightly larger cloud behind this one. Now we can draw some lava flying through the air. Let's show it in different directions on all sides. This next step is my favorite. We'll draw a couple rocks that have been blasted off the top of the mountain and are now flying through the air like comets. Then I'll add a horizon line for the ocean. The next detail is this line of fire that leads from the rock back to the volcano. Now that we've finished the basic drawing, let's add some details. We'll continue by adding some cracks and shadows to the volcano to make it look a little more realistic. Then add some shading under the clouds. For our last detail, we'll draw these cool palm trees. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always hit pause or slow down the video. These trees aren't very detailed, They're just little silhouettes on the beach around the volcano. Now that we're finishing up, let's see how our volcano looks in color. Here's our finished volcano, and I think it looks really cool. The cloud in the back is colored darker to add depth. And yellow lava helps bring the viewer's eye to the center of the drawing. Our palm trees are that extra detail that adds a nice touch. I really hope you had fun drawing this volcano with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.